Hey everyone, happy Friday. Welcome back to the weekly recap. This is number 55. It is Rick and Kseniya back again. How are you today, Kseniya?
I'm doing good, and I'm getting to my trip to AWS reInvent next week, so having a flight tomorrow at 6 a.m. in the morning, which is pretty early to be honest, but yeah, after the recap, I think I'm probably gonna wrap up earlier today to start packing and getting ready. But Rick, tell me, are you using virtual background or where are you? I don't remember when was the last time we did it. You did it from the office.
You don't like me and my friend Fire Extinguisher here? No.
I do like him.
Yeah, so this week was the US holiday of Thanksgiving, and Veeam actually gives us the Friday off as well. So Thursday, yesterday was Thanksgiving. Today, Friday is also a holiday. I'm visiting my family, still in Ohio, the state I live in, but I'm in a camper van, one of those travel trailers, right? So I have made a little mobile office here, and it works out pretty good. They've grandma's come a long way with her Wi-Fi. Let's say that it's really good.
Oh my God, I believe you can do that from everywhere, literally.
Well, we've let's see. I've recorded on a boat, recorded
On
in
the
a
beach.
hotel, on
On
the
the beach.
beach patio. Yeah. So actually, maybe we should make a little map of all the interesting places, and then we have a surprise for next week. We got to say so.
Yes, because we're gonna record it from another place and we'll be doing this in person.
We don't quite know where we're going to record yet, but we'll figure that out.
No idea yet. Okay, but Rick, community has been busy this week as usually. And let's take a look what we have for this week. Okay. And again, we're not breaking the rule. I will explain later. So, first, let's start with the Christmas cracky alarm dashboard for Veeam 1. That was created by Ben Young, and I know that Ben Young, he's one of the user group leaders in ANZ. So I know that he created it specifically to the last user group meeting of the year, which is pretty cool. So you may see here Christmas theme dashboard and so API to push alerts, display them in real time.
Yeah, Ben has done some really cool stuff, and if you go down a little bit, you'll see what these scripts will actually do right there with taking the triggered alarm and then cracking it open. Now, I tell you, Ben embraces the art of the possible with some of these APIs, and this is really great stuff. I've seen some of his other work where, if I remember right, it was looking through a backup to find pictures of cats and turning on an LED light in the room. I mean,
I
this
want to
guy can,
try it. I want to try it.
he can do amazing stuff, and this is really, really cool, Ben Young. Thank you so much for sharing it here.
Yeah, thank you so much for contributing and sharing it here. Okay, next one. It's Wolfgang, V-Node42, with the data change rate history report in Veeam 1 V11a. And he's sharing, what's new in the report configuration, how the report looks, like what's new in the report itself. I mean, that's great.
Oh yeah, it's really cool. This is a lot more accurate than the estimation tools for change rate. And I apologize, I don't know, but is this Wolfgang's first Veeam 1 post? This might be, or at least a rare endeavor by Mr. Wolfgang. So
yeah, I mean, he delivered that many posts, so probably yeah. So
it's gonna
Wolfgang,
yeah, he's gone special here, and I appreciate that, Wolfgang.
yeah, tell us in the comments
Yeah.
if that's your first one or if it's not. We're just curious. Okay, next one is Kubernetes Corner representing, and it's Yong Kang. He usually creates videos. It's from 20 to 30 minutes. It's guides, how to, and this time he created a video on how to build a HP Emerald container on AWS Cloud via Terraform.
Somewhat specific.
Yes, you can process it now for a few minutes. Audience.
But I think he did a good job by putting it in the video format. Sometimes things work better that way. And Youngkang works for Veeam or Custom by Veeam, the Cloud Native SE. I've even been on some calls with him. He's got a really good demeanor, really good training, like just a real calm voice to this all. So no, thank you so much for sharing Youngkang here in Kubernetes Corner.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I'm always so glad to highlight some content from the Kubernetes Corner, you know that. Okay, again, as I said, we're not breaking the rule because this is +1. It's like
this is a program announcement within our site.
Yeah, I just wanted to highlight this because a little bit of background. 1 year ago, I created the first Fun Friday, and this discussion was dedicated to Christmas. Everyone was sharing Christmas pics and themes, and you can still find this thread. After that, I didn't really post any Fun Friday, I think, maybe one only, but anyways, Michael, he started doing them from time to time on Fridays, and this became a format. So people actually look forward for these Fun Fridays. So it's not necessarily, some deep technical thing to discuss. It could be anything. So here you can see, okay, what has been your favorite feature ever from Veeam? It's not really that deep discussion, right? But it's still fun.
Well, some of them get a little bit pretty deep in the fun. I think Wolfgang shared something that actually I have right here. I've had to explain to so many people that what used to be the word finish is not going to finish. It's actually going to start. So this was a big one, and Igor and our QA team, he was helping manage that change. So yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so and I look forward to more features to be shared here. So I expected actually that Wolfgang will tell hardened repository, to be honest. So it's something that, yeah. So keep sharing. We're curious to hear that, and definitely participate in all these threads. Again, I believe these are fun, and you may see some related topics. So it's pick favorite cloud object storage, or another one was from the last week, I think. What your username means, because okay, if you're using name, okay, for me it's Kseniya, it's easy, but there are some cool answers like
what's Miko versus Michael? Where's the story?
Yeah, there's a story.
He's putting the word cool in there. My cool Paul, right? But
yeah,
what's the story?
It's something with a pronunciation that am I cool? Like
I think Michael Paul's cool. I think he's cool.
I agree. I'm not gonna argue. Okay. All right, so that's it for today. That's it for this week. That was pretty great week, Rick, right? I mean,
indeed, always a pleasure, and that's why I always want to do it when I'm on the go, because I love seeing what the community comes up with, and won't miss it.
Yeah. Okay. So Rick, thank you for participating in this. I know it's again holiday in this Thanksgiving in the US, and thanks everyone for watching, and see you in community.